Today we are going to talk all about beach cover-ups, how to style them, different ideas, and how to look hot and feel good at the same time. You know, as much as I love finding that perfect bikini, I must admit that it's taken me a while to feel comfortable in my own body. So beach cover-ups are always perfect and always come in handy. On my recent trip to St. Barths, I wore this super cute bodycon, backless, crochet, long dress over my swimsuit to the beach club. I got so many compliments on this outfit, and I like how it still allows you sort of a peekaboo look at my bikini. The open back is perfect as well. Needless to say, the night was a lot of fun and ended with a bang. I wanted to go to the pool, so I quickly tied my blue cover-up scarf at the waist and fashioned it into a little skirt. I highly recommend getting a beach scarf because you can tie these in so many different ways. These next cover-up looks are going to take us all the way to Cape Town, South Africa. This next cover-up outfit that I styled for the day for my day trip to the beach in South Africa ended up being perfect. Also, would you guys believe this is December in South Africa? Anyway, I wanted something comfortable, mildly conservative, versatile, and both warm and cool, depending on the weather. Also, I'm wearing my swimsuit because we're going to see a special animal today. Can you guys guess which one? So I paired my long light blue skirt with this oversized white linen shirt and left it unbuttoned. Pro tip, find a men's white linen shirt to wear over your swimsuit at the pool. So go raid your boyfriend or your husband's closet if you have to. Ask permission. I like to roll up the sleeves, kind of like cuff them a little bit to make the shirt look a little bit more chic and a little bit more tailored. Our last stop took us up really high overlooking the ocean, and it was extremely windy. By just buttoning up my shirt, I created an entirely new look that was a bit more polished. Perfect, because we're getting ready to head to dinner. Thanks guys, I hope that you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and also comment to let me know what you're gonna wear to the beach this summer.